Recently, several users have been experiencing an issue on their Mac where Microsoft Office quits unexpectedly. In this video, I'm going to show you the complete fix step by step. I'll walk you through the exact troubleshooting methods that have worked for many users, so you can get your Office apps running smoothly again. Make sure to follow each step carefully, and by the end of this video, the issue should be resolved. Let's get started. Step 1. Make sure all Microsoft Office apps such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook are completely closed before proceeding. Step 2. Remove Microsoft 365 applications. Open Finder. Click on Applications from the left panel. Press and hold the Command key. Click to select all Microsoft 365 apps such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and OneNote. Once selected, Control-click or right-click on any one of the selected apps. Click Move to Trash. Step 3. Next, we need to completely remove leftover Office data. Go to Finder, click Go in the menu bar, select Go to Folder, and enter ~library containers. Then delete all folders that begin with com.microsoft. Step 4. Navigate back to the library folder and open Group Containers. If the folders ubf8346g9.ms and ubf8346g9.office are present, move them to the trash. This ensures that all residual Microsoft Office license and shared container data are completely removed. Finally, navigate to account.microsoft.com/services and sign into your Microsoft account. Under Services and Subscriptions, locate your active Microsoft 365 subscription and select Install. Download and run the installer to complete the reinstallation. Once installed, sign in to activate the applications. Your issue should now be resolved. You should no longer experience this error. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Microtech videos.